New money, new whips, new music, new albums.
I'm talking that G-Talk today.
Maybach music.
Meek Mill.
Yeah, one thing's for sure, two things for certain. Got booked with 3 bricks, you back home, niggas working. Clown that niggas should've put you in the circus. Home of Philly, if you get a Benz, niggas lurking. Churches, hearses, is it really worth it? If you heard he tellin' why you dapping and conversing, lock me in a cell, let me strap up my Converses before I drop a dime. Telling people a line, swear to God. Man, I was 19, I caught my first case. 9 co-defendants and snitching wasn't the worst case. Had a hard time giving my name and my birthday. But nowadays, niggas go to jail and it's an earthquake. They get all shook up, write a whole book up. Writing they connect out, tell them where they got the hook up. Got a nigga 20 years talking about that cook up. Back to the home, niggas fucking with it, good luck. 12 shots of Henny to the face, got me stood up. Any situation, ask about me, I stood up. Catch you slipping like a transmission, your hood up. From my hood to your hood, what up? Nothing though my hood high. Mac can leave a nigga look like SpongeBob. I thought I could get a hood up. Yeah, yeah, I say, all I know is flex. Shitting on my ex. Bad hoes in my team, dicking down like next. I rock, YSL so fresh, fly tail, no jet. Waves on the 3 make that pussy get so wet. She say I'm cocky, I say that's not me. She call me Poppy, and I say Benaki. Wristwear on hockey, Porsche box like Ali. My sneaks stay Bali, in my hood I'm probably just rolling around in that goat. Watching out for them folks, heater on my hip. Trunk full of that work, I say my shooters like dirt. 10 racks and you murk, I put that on your head. First weekend you dead, nigga. I bottle pop, I model pop. Catch me on them bikes, let the bottle pop. Niggas know I'm nice, and I got a lot. Like F your corner, I bought a block. It's Maybach, we way back. Yeah, I was starving, this the payback. Off the top. But I say, I got my hustle from Hova and my stuntin' from Baby. That's why I'm fucking them over. And my new watch cost me 80. Got a couple of Rovers, had to drop my Mercedes. I know these suckers don't like me, I'm probably popping they lady. I got 100 racks on me now. No computer, but I got a Mac on me now. And I'm a shooter, I really clap, homie, now. And fuck the jail, cause my nigga Raw told me now. I'm keeping bail and we in the fresh out the dealership. I just came in the game, but I'm killing shit. That nigga wild. Yeah.